Hey guys, welcome back to the Flawless Beauties channel. How are y'all doing today? Oh my gosh guys, so it's been over a month since my apartment flooded, which by the way, that was not my fault. It was my neighbors that lived above me didn't have their washer and dryer hooked up right, so their fault, not mine.
It was raining.
It was raining. That's what they call it, the rain. Every single room, every single closet, like soaked. So they took a lot of my stuff. My insurance company got in contact with some companies that repair the damage for like mold and water. So it's been like over a month, and finally on Tuesday I'm gonna have a washer and dryer again.
She's washing right now at my house.
I'm doing laundry at her house right now. So anyways guys, so today we have a really cool unboxing video.
Yeah.
So we have some stuff from Sunflower Jewels that we're gonna show you. They have an assortment of jewelry. It's like
we have no idea. We have no idea what they
We don't know what it's going to be, but they have lots of different assortment of jewelries and stuff like that. So come and watch with us because we're about to see what we get in the box today.
I like their little box. It has their
know.
sunflower jewels.
I like the little logo-y.
I really like is it like
It
a
matches-
Tiffany blue? It's like a minty
matches
blue.
my dress.
Super cute.
Yeah.
And it just,
And it's sturdy too. It's not
yeah,
flimsy.
it's a nice,
Which I like because it protects your items inside.
nice thick box.
There we go. Woohoo! Oh, satiny pink.
Looks
Cute.
like
What is this?
I don't know. It's like 4 pieces.
4 pieces of jewelry. That's what
Of
it looks like.
jewelry.
What does it say? Sunflower jewels. They're like a little satiny pink with a drawstring.
Satchel.
They're satchels.
You
got
could
4 of
actually
these?
reuse these satchels.
Yeah, I when I get stuff in satchels, especially if it's like jewelry or anything, I mean, that I just keep them and then re-put the item in there, and that way you don't lose them or they get tangled. So you have their own little baggie right here.
It looks like stickers.
It's cool.
Is it a stuffed animal? Looks like, hold on, looks like, I think they're stickers, yeah. It has stickers, I don't care.
Oh yeah.
No bad days. You're cute. I love you.
Aw. I'll put the I don't care on my door.
Cute little stickers. And then also,
Got their business
their
card.
business card. And it has a little note thanking us for the collab.
I'm excited
Open
about
that. Oh, it's a little stuffed animal. It looks like a little squid. What does it say on the sticker?
It says, it has their
sunflower-
logo, Sunflower Jewels. And it's,
Is it a
is
puppet?
it a puppet?
Wait.
Wait,
Wait,
I think,
he's
is it
smiling.
reversible?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh, he said. That's cute. So,
Hold on, wait. I'm having a bad day. I don't have my washer and dryer. On Tuesday when I have my washer and dryer.
That is so cute.
I like it. He's really soft.
That is so cute. He is soft. Okay. Do you want to open up a jewel or do you want me to open one up?
You go ahead over. I'm gonna
The little squid octopus guy. He's
Oh
cute.
gosh. Stay right there.
Okay, so let's see. This one looks like it's going to be a gold, probably a necklace, I'm guessing. And it has an angel,
That's pretty.
a little pendant, gold.
It's really pretty. It has like a.
Let's see if I'll
It's kind of like an angel. Kind of reminds me of like a cherub.
a cherub, maybe it's a cherub over an angel.
Thinking. To remind you to do good.
Cute.
And it feels good. It feels like
it's weighted.
heavy. Yeah.
It doesn't feel cheap.
Let me try one. Some mystery satchels.
La,
Okay.
la.
Ooh.
What did you get?
Think. Hold on. Let me open this up. Oh, I got a butterfly.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, it's
That's
a double.
Is it a bracelet?
Oh, it is. Or is it an anklet?
That's cute. I guess it could be either or.
It could be either or.
That's really pretty.
Maybe a bracelet because it's a little smaller. So this one is really pretty. So this one's like a yellow gold with a little bit
the 3D butterfly.
thicker chain. And yeah, it looks like, 3D butterfly, almost like a tube butterfly. Oops, let me get a little closer.
Put your hand behind it so it focuses.
Thanks. There we go. So there we go right there. Yeah, against my non-tan skin for the summer. Let me try this one on. I need a little help. Bracelets I've always needed just a little bit of help with, always. Find yourself a friend.
Find yourself a friend.
Find yourself a friend. One time I had one of my neighbors come up to
I actually think that might be
my door to ask
an
me.
anklet.
Oh, maybe it is an anklet.
Because it's kind of big. Let's do it.
Yeah, okay. Naked toes. There you go. Sometimes it's good to find a friend for this too.
There. I think it's an anklet.
Okay, yeah, I think it might be an anklet too. Okay,
That's pretty.
here, if I can. Are we in? I'm wearing a dress right now. Hello, how are y'all doing?
That's actually really cute. I like the anklet.
Cute. Be cute for when you wear your little heels, your little sandals. You got somewhere to go. You need someone to notice your new pedicure. But I have naked toes right now. In between pedicures.
In between. Let's see. I got another one. This looks like rings, maybe. From Sunflower Jewels. Okay. Oh, they're individual. Let's see. This one is a crescent moon.
Is that a ring or a toe ring?
It might be actually a toe ring.
It looks like it could be a toe
Because
ring.
it has the adjustable right there. I love toe rings.
Do you need a friend to help you?
I don't need a friend. And then this is a sunburst. Like, trying to get it off the glare. There we go.
Let me see. Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
You can layer them if you like.
Yeah, stack them.
Stack them.
Oh, yeah.
The sun and the moon.
Definitely.
Cute.
Stacking. Trying to get it to focus. The light doesn't want it to focus. Look, it looks like I have two different hands. But there is those. Those are cute.
Okay, I'm gonna look at the last one.
Though. Hold on.
Okay,
While she's opening that, I'm going to test it out.
Try that.
It might be too big for a toe ring. Yeah.
Maybe your toes.
Yeah, it's too big for my toes, but it might work for somebody else that has a little chunkier toes.
You have like longer toes.
Why do you still have it on your feet?
Because I said you can try it on my
Put
toes.
your foot down. She's being weird.
She doesn't want to be my friend to help me. Okay, so here we are. I was gonna see if they fit my toes. Anyways, we have a rose, bud, stem, and leaf right here on this gold plated right here. It's really pretty. Let's see. There we go. Ooh, that looks pretty good. Nice and shiny. And it is weighted like the other necklace too.
Mm-hmm. A little different
Try
chain.
this one.
My chain's a little more dainty.
Yeah, this one's a little more thick. And I think the thickest one was on my anklet. Girl, I need a friend. Come over here.
Why is it so complicated for her?
Long nails. Okay, you see how long these are? It's,
Okay.
you need a friend. Okay. There we go.
So necklace.
Cute.
Ring. So they have gold and silver options, necklaces, rings, anklets, little toy accessories. This is still like uber cute. Like,
Yeah.
let's put a ring on him.
Oh. It's not on my toe, but on the octopus.
Yeah, he's cute. There we go.
Okay.
This
there
one
you
might
go.
be a toe ring. This one fits perfect. Oh,
Nah,
it ain't gonna fit on
it
him.
ain't gonna fit.
I was thinking like a ring holder, but
Oh.
he's super cute. There it is. But yeah, definitely check out Sunflower Jewels, guys. A little free gift of the stickers, which are so cute, and the sweet little note. Thank you guys. And Sunflower Jewels were so nice, and they gave a discount code. That one kind of fits my toe. My feet are really dirty. I was outside in the mud.
Naked
barefoot.
toes, dirty toes. It'll fit all toes.
But Sunflower Jewels were super kind, and they gave us a discount code to share with you guys for 30% off, and it is XOXO30. So make sure you check out their website, use our code, get a little accessories to spice up your life, maybe make a friend.
Maybe buy him as your friend.
He's super cute.
He says,
I've never seen.
No, I'm not putting on your toe ring. Yes, I'll help you with your necklace.
Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you check out Sunflower Jewels. As always, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, do all the things. And until next time.
Bye, guys.